Today we're going to turn this into these with the xTool P2. Let's start. So I'm going to go ahead and place the wood as center as possible. I personally like to have it centered just so it makes it a little bit easier for lining up. Now, most important when you're changing materials is to refresh your screen so you know exactly where you're at in terms of lining things up. And then using this function here, you can aim and measure what the thickness of your material is instead of having to measure it yourself. It's actually pretty cool. For this, I've made a preset keychain. It's a little bit bigger than I'd like though, so I'm gonna size it down just a hair. And then my goal is to have powering the print engraved on the center of it. So we're gonna try to line that up here. Really cool tool that you can use is highlighting all and then horizontally align so that they're all even. And then I like to just eyeball it. You'll see here on the left that I have a test grid made, so I know that my blue is going to be cut and I want it to be 100% power at 25 speed. For the engraving, you'll see on this right side here that I've got a couple different color grids. I've looked at this in person, so I know that I want to do 160 at 20% power. So I'm going to do 20, 160, and then we're ready to go. All right, so here's the finished product. I think one day I might make it into an earring, but for now we've got our keychain. And that's how you make a keychain on the xTool P2. All right, go ahead and like and subscribe if you liked the video, and put a comment down in the comments if you have any questions. Make sure to share this out to somebody that you think will benefit from watching. See you next time.